Motorcycles have always been more than just machines. They're symbols of freedom, rebellion, and cutting-edge design. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating evolution of motorcycle design, tracing its journey from the early 1900s to the powerful and futuristic rides we see today. Let's rewind to the early 20th century. The first motorcycles were essentially bicycles with engines attached, simple, rugged, and built for function more than form. One of the earliest icons was the 1901 Indian Single, followed closely by Harley-Davidson's early models. These bikes had minimal bodywork, exposed frames, and a raw mechanical charm. Their engines were small, often under 500cc, and they used pedals to help start the motor. Though basic, they were revolutionary. As we moved into the 1930s and 40s, motorcycle design began to mature. Manufacturers like BMW, Triumph, and BSA introduced more powerful engines and sleeker styling. The use of teardrop-shaped fuel tanks, enclosed chain drives, and better suspensions improved both aesthetics and ride quality. During World War II, military motorcycles became common. Think of the rugged Harley WLA and the BMW R75, built tough with utility in mind. The post-war 1950s and 60s saw the rise of a cafe racer culture in Britain. Lightweight, stripped-down bikes like the Triumph Bonneville or Norton Manx captured the spirit of speed and rebellion. These motorcycles emphasized style and performance, inspiring a wave of customizations and racing subcultures. Around the same time, Japan was entering the scene. Honda's Super Cub, released in 1958, was a game-changer, affordable, reliable, and stylish. By the 1970s and 80s, motorcycle design had taken a dramatic leap forward. The introduction of sport bikes like the Honda CB750 and the Kawasaki Z1 brought four-cylinder engines, disc brakes, and aerodynamic fairings into the mainstream. Motorcycles were now faster, more powerful, and sleeker than ever before. This era also saw the birth of superbikes and racing-inspired street machines. Fast forward to the 1990s and 2000s, and motorcycle design began to embrace technology. Fuel injection replaced carburetors, ABS became standard, and digital dashboards appeared. The lines between cruisers, sport bikes, and adventure bikes became more defined. Companies like Ducati and Yamaha pushed design boundaries with aggressive styling and track-ready performance. And now in the 2020s, motorcycle design is more advanced than ever. Modern bikes are marvels of engineering, blending performance with smart tech. We're seeing ride-by-wire systems, traction control, adaptive suspension, and even electric motorcycles like the Harley-Davidson Livewire and the Zero SRF. Design-wise, today's motorcycles are angular, aerodynamic, and feature LED lighting, advanced materials, and integrated connectivity. At the same time, many manufacturers are reimagining retro aesthetics, giving birth to modern classics that pay homage to vintage styles, but with cutting-edge performance. From humble beginnings to high-tech machines, the evolution of motorcycle design reflects our passion for innovation, speed, and style. Whether you're a fan of old-school charm or futuristic performance, motorcycles continue to inspire and evolve, just like the people who ride them. Thanks for watching.